Today I will show you that how you can easily turn on dark mode on DeepSeek AI. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up DeepSeek AI application, and after opening it you will be able to find two lines on the top left corner of the screen. You'll have to tap on them, and on the bottom left corner of the screen you'll be able to find your account. You will have to tap on your account, and in app section you'll be able to find an option of color scheme. You'll have to tap on it, and it will provide you three options. The first one is system, which means that when you enable it, it will automatically change the theme of the application according to the theme of your mobile phone. The second one is light, and the third one is dark. I want to turn on dark mode. I will click on dark and click on done. Now that's it. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.